Hey guys, I'm gonna do a half cut crease look today using pinks, browns, and a bunch of other fun colors. I'm using the P. Louise base in bare canvas, and I'm gonna apply this with a concealer brush starting from underneath the eyebrows to give it a nice clean look and sharpen that up. And you want to just apply it all over the lid and blend it out with an eyeshadow brush or a flat brush, anything that you see fit. I'm using the Lorac Luxe Diamond palette, and I'm going in with one of the lighter crease color shades. I'm using the Gabby Rose blending brush. This is one of my favorites, and I'm going to apply that all over the crease. I'm going to go a little bit in on the inner corners as well, and whatever's left over on my brush, I'm going to use it to blend out the edge to make it nice and smooth. I'm going to go in with the darker brown color. I'm using a smaller blending brush, the Morphe M433, and I'm going to apply this color right underneath my first initial crease color. I'm going to wipe the fallout with the Neutrogena makeup wipes, and you can also put your finger underneath the wipe so that you can give a nice clean winged look on the outer end. I'm going to use this little concealer looking brush from P. Louise as well. This is actually perfect for this step because it's really precise. I'm going to cut the crease a little bit above the fold of my eye so that whenever I blink, I don't crease. I'm going to blend the outer end of that cream base with a clean eyeshadow brush. This is going to allow you to blend those two finishes together so that you have a nice blend. I'm going to use a light crease color from the KKW 90s matte collection, and I'm just going to apply that to the crease area to just reblend everything and make sure it's nice and smooth. I'm going to pick up this pink shimmer color from the Lorac palette. Again, I'm using a flat concealer or flat eyeshadow brush, and you want to make sure you're using something that's stiff and flat so that you can go right along your cut crease line, and you want to make sure that you don't blend the line but you go right on top of it to keep that cut crease look. I'm going to go in with a lighter pink color just to give the inner corners a brighter look on the lid. I'm going to do a wing liner using an angled liner brush, and also I'm using the Dose of Colors brown gel liner. And I'm just going to make sure that I do a nice sharp wing, and we want to make sure it's even on both sides. I'm going to prep my skin with the Murad moisturizer from the hydration line. This isn't the water gel one, it's the other one. I always forget the name, but I'm about to show you guys the bottle. I will list it below though. I'm using the Dermalogica Hydra Blur primer, and I'm going to apply this in the cheek area and a little bit around the mouth, pretty much in the areas that you have pores and you want to smooth out before foundation. I'm using the new Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation, and I'm mixing the shade 300C with 270C. I'm blending out my foundation with a beauty blender, and you just want to make sure it's damp and at its full size so that it blends evenly. I'm using the Graftobian Super Warm palette to contour, and I'm going to start with my cheekbones, go on to the nose area, forehead, jawline, and pretty much anywhere else you want to contour. I'm going to blend out the contour with a brush from Fenty. I'm not sure which one it is, but I will list it below. And you just want to make sure you get a really nice blend. You want to make sure that you blend your contour, but you don't overblend it where it disappears. I'm gonna go over the contour with some product that's left over in my beauty blender just to smooth everything out. I'm gonna apply some concealer underneath my eyes. I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer and blending that out with a beauty blender. I'm gonna set the under eyes with the Mercier translucent powder and just want to press it in until the powder disappears. I'm gonna highlight the tip of my nose, the center of my nose, and of course the cheekbones. I'm using a highlighter from Lorac. I'm using the Benefit Cosmetics Badgal Bang mascara, and you always want to add mascara after falsies so that you can blend the natural lashes with the falsies together. So I applied lipstick and lip liner, and I'm gonna go over it with the Makeupforever lip cream in shade 03. Alright you guys, I hope you love the final look. Please let me know what you want to see next time, and of course make sure you don't forget to subscribe to my channel.